Hello and welcome back to my channel. I have another setup for you today in my Fauxbonichi. I'm going to be using the Tiana kit. This is out in my shop now, based on Tiana from Princess and the Frog. That's the first sheet, there's the second sheet, and the third sheet. I'm sorry if you can hear some little people in the background. They are upstairs, meant to be going to bed, but they're not. So here is last week's spread. It's not filled out because I'm filming this a little bit early because I've been busy, but I'm going to turn to the next page and start sticking them in. So here we go, here's my final spread. I know things are happening on these days, but I haven't filled them in yet because I'm not entirely sure of the exact details. So I have space here to write down my husband's work schedule. I've got, I need to stick a new release ticket in there. New releases on Saturday, space here for the meals of the week, our to-do list, and then habits that I'm tracking. I've got reading and posting to Instagram, and then here are my memories, something I'm going to write down for every day, and then down here I've just got some space for extra to-dos or things to do with my shop that I want to get done. So this is what I have left. A few of these checklists and half boxes, sticky note, a couple of bits of deco, some checklists, icons, some more deco, and lots of icons and a couple of flags and a half box, sorry. So the rest of the deco I'll probably dot throughout the week as we go. I like to kind of spread them round to fill the week up when they're finished. So that's what I'll use those for. The rest of this kit will be going into the front of my planner, so it's easy to access. There we go. So we have some new releases for you this week. This week I will be releasing my Bob Bunny kit. This is my Easter kit, and this will come out on Saturday. So this is the full-sized kit. There's the full boxes. You have your little things, half boxes, check boxes, your date covers, washi strips and weekend banner, your deco icons and a few extra boxes, and then your headers and extra deco sheet. So that is the full kit for an Erin Condon vertical planner. Then we have a mini / bullet journal kit. This is the type of kit that I'll be using in my own journal, in my bullet journal. So we have 4 boxes along with some quarter boxes. Then we have little things. We have the date covers, bottom washi and half boxes, and then we have the last piece of bottom washi, deco and check boxes. It also comes in a Hobo Weeks kit. So there's your first page and your second page. And your third page. So that's Bob Bunny, and that will be out on Saturday. I'm also bringing to the shop these mini icons. I showed you a couple of weeks ago, I think, these little tiny like micro icons I'm making. So I've taken my normal size sheets and kind of shrunk them to half the size. Each sticker is less than 1.5 centimeters, both in height and width, and they will obviously be a cheaper sheet to buy, but they fit really nicely inside a Hobo Weeks, all those slimmer journals that I know lots of people are using at the minute. So all my main sheets will be coming in micros. Just watch this space as I add them to the shop. So these new releases, they'll be out on Saturday. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!